Matillion ETL version 1.56 is now publicly available to all customers. In this video, we're going to show you what's new. For all platforms, there are updates to the Secrets Manager and a new component, Send Email. For Snowflake, the Salesforce Query component, and on BigQuery, the Google Sheets query component has been added. Matillion ETL Secrets Manager will let you create a secret manager that will directly reference passwords, API tokens, keys, and secrets stored in third-party Secrets Manager platforms. Users can create new secret managers via the Manage Project Group Passwords dialog and see a list of their existing password managers. In this update, we're adding two more secret managers, Azure Key Vault and GCP Secret Manager. These secret managers join AWS Secrets Manager. So, when a component requires a password, you can use the passwords you've set up through the Secret Manager. In version 1.56, all platforms of Matillion can take advantage of the Send Email component. Users may wish to include this component in their orchestration jobs as a way to send notifications based on a job success or failure. Depending on your SMTP configuration, default settings may need to be adjusted. Please refer to the Send Email documentation on the documentation website for more information. New for Matillion ETL for Snowflake is the SalesforceBulk query component. This component uses the Salesforce API to retrieve bulk data to load into a table and is optimized for processing large sets of data. This action stages the data and the table will be reloaded each time. Once the data is staged, you can use Matillion ETL transformations to enrich and manage the data in permanent tables. New for Matillion ETL for BigQuery is the Google Sheets query component, added as a parity feature. This component uses the Google Sheets API to retrieve data and load it into a table. You're able to retrieve your Google Sheets data and stage it ready for transformations. For more information, including an example video guide, please see the Google Sheets query documentation at documentation.matillion.com. Subscribe to keep up to date with the latest releases and component guides. Or you can visit the Matillion documentation site.